Alright, so I'm going to take another trade here. This is the bearish breaker. Enter at the top of the bearish breaker. It's part of your homework here to figure out where that is. It's on this time frame here, by the way. Showing you all my executions so you can see everything. I'll be adding here as we allow for more entries. Looking for a run to 40.63. There's sell side down here. So I beat this up pretty good today, even though I got stop out on my original position. Didn't get my 40.65 level on the first pull, but re-entered at that new week opening gap. It's an old new week opening gap, by the way. Okay, remove the risk. Well, not entirely, but reduced most of it. If we can rally up into that volume imbalance, I'll look to take another entry, build the position up. So you can see where I'm aiming at 40.52.5. So to print that, my exit would be at 40.52 3/4. Volume imbalance entry right there. Couldn't trade up to the one I was looking for earlier. Now I want to see it stab down underneath that 40.63. I put a limit order for 3 and filled it there. Stop set better than break even. I'm going to take 3 off because it's starting to look a little bit questionable. In the balance, you'll see get stopped out in the black. Right about here.